Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies. Today I am sharing with you the package that was recently delivered by the Happy Mail Fairy, and this package was sent from our washi queen, Faith from Faithfullmess. Now, if you're not familiar with her channel, she does some wonderful coloring projects and washi swatching, and she has an amazing washi collection, by the way. So if you are an enthusiast as well, you need to check out her channel. And when you stop by there, because the link will be below, tell her I said hi. Tell her fam said, hey girl, hey. All right, so anyways, she also has, she also does videos on how she does these envelopes before she sends out her rack, pen pal letters and her happy mail and stuff. So this is one of the ones that I've watched her make on camera, and she hand makes and embellishes them all, hand decorates them all, and she's really just creative when it comes to putting it all together. In the beginning, you have no idea what's getting ready to go down, but towards the end, you start to see it all come together, and you're like, oh, look at her go. So anyways, I'm going to pop this baby open. And before I do, while I do so, I want to say thank you to Faith for taking the time out of your busy schedule to send me some lovely, some of your loveliness. And so I am very happy to have received it. I feel like a fan receiving a letter from her favorite celebrity. Because we have favorite celebrities here on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to read the letter off camera, because y'all don't need to see all of that. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Let me just say, I didn't read it, but why does it say, hey girl, hey? Her handwriting's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm not going to read that here, but let's just go through what Faith has sent me. Oh, thank you, Faith. In this envelope, I'm going to have to try and find a way to use it. I'm going to see if I can get these stamps off. I'm going to try and find a way to use it. And if my son sees this shark car, he's going to try and steal this stamp. And I might let him. Might not, but I might let him. Anyways. So, Oh, I've got a project for this little napkin. I've got one of Josh's best friends. Her name is Ella, and she loves unicorns. So I'm sure I can find a cute little glass jar that I can decoupage using this pretty little napkin. Isn't that pretty? Okay, maybe everybody's not as enthused with napkins as I am, but this is gorgeous. And I love the mint green color. Obviously, it's unicorn colors. It says, for where your treasures, there your heart will be also. Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. That's Matthew 6:21. And I truly do believe that. The things that you cherish the most and the things that you prioritize is where your heart is. That's where your emotions are. That's what you get, your joy and what have you from. So make sure it's a good thing. Oh, look at that. Shine bright. I will. Thank you for encouraging me. Look at that. Oh, hi. Look at that unicorn. That is too cute. I'm sure I can find something to do with that. Hello. A nice little journal card. Ooh. Oh. Look at this washi sample. Okay, so we've got the houndstooth print, and by the way, that's gold. Can you see that? I am very, very busy. I probably would put that all throughout my planner. And then this one, let me take that apart a little bit so you guys can see it. Oh, I don't have any type of washi that is creative inspired. Look at the doily, the pen, ribbon, hole punch. All right. Then we have the stripes and then the camera with the pretty little flower in the back. Some iridescent lime green, and then the light pink down at the bottom. Thank you so much, Faith. You are so sweet and so kind. And then lastly, in this little cute little, here's some, okay, it's packed. All right, thank you, appreciate it. Oh, it's real. What is it? It's, first off, it's the cutest little bag, okay? And then Star and Moon Punch. This is the cutest thing. Can y'all see that? And it's got like the iridescent sparkles inside. The camera's not doing it justice. Doggone it. And then we have some word. I don't know if it's stickers. Bullseye, have fun Tuesday, hosted with that's me. Faith, did you know that you were sending me my title, hostess with the mostest? And then we got some glitter. Banner tags. Ooh. And then I forgot what they call it, holographic hearts. Aw, thank you so much, Faith. How kind and sweet you are. And hopefully I will get your meal out this week, and you will be just as happy with yours as well. And in the meantime, like I said before, guys, go ahead and take a look at Faith's channel and show her some love and let her know that fam sent you. And in the meantime, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.